The Jordan Heir elephant print stands out with a bold design that blends style and tribute. While the WNBA's signature orange hints at a possible commemorative theme, it's the striking animal print along the lower half of the upper that truly steals the spotlight. This textured pattern adds depth and flair, while the upper portion features a clean mix of white materials accented by vivid orange highlights. A unique detail, the asymmetrical ribbon at the base of each lace unit, adds a modern, eye-catching element. The overall design strikes a balance between performance and fashion, making it a versatile choice for everyday wear or courtside style. With its bold aesthetics and thoughtful touches, the Jordan Heir elephant print is set to make an impact when it launches in fall 2025. The retail price is expected to be $110, making it a stylish yet accessible addition to any sneaker collection.